Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems from chapter 7 measurement. My dear student, your question is a sack of rice had a weight of 6.576 kg. Harleen packed the rice equally into 12 packets. She used 4 packets of rice for cooking. She used 4 packets of rice for cooking. How many kilograms of rice were left? My dear student, how can we solve this type of problem? Now let us we will discuss. As you know very well, in this question total quantity of rice is 6.576 kg. Okay, and Harleen packed the rice equally into 12 packets. The meaning is, in this question first we will find out unitary method. Okay, what is the unitary method? Suppose you want to find out the value of one article. Suppose you want to find out the value of one article. In that condition we will apply the division procedure. Okay, solution of the given question is Harleen packed the rice into 12 packets. Okay, so the quantity of rice in one packet will be, the quantity of rice in one packet will be 6.576 kg divided by 12. 6.576 kg divided by 12. Okay, in this question, in this step we will apply the division procedure. That's why in this question we will find out value of one article. The meaning is how much rice contain in one packet. Okay, 6.576 kg divided by 12. You know very well 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 6.576 kg will be 6.576 into 1000. Okay, and you know the multiplication, 6.576 into 1000, it will give to you 6576. It will give to you 6576 gram. Okay, and 6576 gram divided by 12, so we will get 12 5 ja 60, 5 minus 0 5, 6 minus 6 0. We can note down next number. Next number is 7. So 12 4 ja 48. After subtraction you will get 9. Then after we can take out next number. Next number is 6. So 9 and 6, it will give to you 96. 12 8 ja 96. 12 8 ja 96. The remainder is 0. The meaning is the quantity of rice in one packet will be 548 gram. The quantity of rice in one packet will be 548 gram. Okay, and for second step for this question is the quantity of rice used by Harleen is 4. The meaning is, in question what you are looking, 4 packets used by Harleen for cooking, and you know very well according to division procedure we will get in one packet quantity of rice is 548 gram. The meaning is One packet contain rice 548 gram, and Harleen use 4 packet for cooking. So in this question we will find out how much rice will contain in 4 packet. So what we will do? For this step we will apply the unitary method. For this step we will apply unitary method. You know very well, when you find out more than one article, then what we will do? We will apply the multiplication procedure. So 4 packet will contain of rice will be 548 into 4. It will give to you 2192 gram. Now look here, 548 into 4, 4 8 ja 32, this is 2, carry over is 3, 4 4 ja 16, 16 plus 3, 19, this is 9, carry over is 1, 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 548 into 4, it will give to you 2192 gram, and 2192 gram converted to kg. So what we will do? Divided by 1000. 2192 upon 1000. After division we will get 2 kg 192 gram. The meaning is 2192 gram is equal to 2 kg 192 gram. Okay, and total quantity of rice is 6.576 kg or 6 kilogram 576 gram. This is the total quantity of rice. Total quantity of rice is 6 kg 576 gram. Okay, and quantity of rice used by Harleen is 2 kg 192 gram. Now in this question we will find out quantity of rice were left. Quantity of rice were left. So what we will do? For this step we will apply the subtraction procedure. 6 kg 576 gram, this is the total quantity of rice, and 2 kg 192 gram, this quantity of rice used by Harleen for cooking. So we will apply the subtraction procedure. Now look here, 6 minus 2 4, this is 7, this is 9. 9 we cannot subtract from 7, so what we will do? We take one number borrow from 5, so 5 converted to 4 and 7 converted to 17. 17 minus 9, it will give to you 8. 4 minus 1 3, and 6 minus 2 4. Answer is 4 kg 384 gram. The meaning is 4 kg 384 gram of rice were left. 4 kg 384 gram of rice were left. Okay, so my dear student, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.